Moisture is one of the great opportunities and enemies at the same time. I want enough moisture so that I don't get shocks, that the wood cabinets stay intact, but I also want to make sure that I don't see condensation on the windows. And most of us have lived in a colder climate in the Northwest, see the potential for condensation on surfaces. And that's something that we generate in respirating, the dogs, the cleaning, the plants, dishwashers. They're all putting moisture into the building. And so we want to make sure is that we kind of optimize that. I want to remove moisture at a rate similar to the way in which I produce it. So that's an important characteristic. Venting the moisture out of the building keeps it off the windows and out of the wall cavities. That matters. I think the idea about ventilation systems in bathrooms and in the house have really matured quite a bit. We realize that in order for the house to exchange air, I know that I breathe and produce normal odors, moisture, as well as just general lifestyle. Moving the air out of the house is something we can do very efficiently today. There are fans on the market. Panasonic makes one that's extraordinarily quiet. I know that when I come home from a long day, the last thing I want to hear is the noise from a cheap bathroom fan operating and assuming that I have to leave that on. I want to have a ventilation system in the house that's quiet. I don't want to know it's running, but I want to be assured that it's there and operating. Picking a quiet fan costs a little more money. It's a better quality motor, a better quality designed fan, and is the right thing to put into a house. Now, of course, we could buy a cheap fan and get away with it, but the right approach is to say, I need ventilation for removing air out of the house, and this is the product we choose. It's a quiet, energy-efficient fan, using sometimes 1/6 of the electricity of a regular fan. A remarkable innovation in ventilation. So that's the right way to allow a house to breathe instead of turning on a great big fan and sucking air out.